to the perimeter and circumference class. The perimeter is the distance around any polygon, and the circumference is the same distance around a circle. The perimeter is measured by simply adding the length of each of the sides of the polygon. Doesn't matter how many sides it has, all you have to do to find the perimeter is add together each one of the sides. Okay? And in your presentation, you have formulas for each one. But summarizing, you have to add all of the sides to find the perimeter of any figures. It can be regular, it can be irregular, it can have any number of sides. All you have to do is add them together. Okay? Now let's do some exercises that are on your slides of the presentation. And first, it is asking us to find the perimeter of a square. Remember, the characteristics of a square is that all of its sides have the same measure. And it is telling us that one of its sides is 8 meters. Since one of its sides is 8 meters, all of its sides are going to be 8 meters. We can use the formula that we have on our presentation, or we can just add together each of the sides. Both of them are going to give us the same result. Of course, the formula is a faster way to get there, but you can always use the adding of the sides in order for you to remember any perimeter of any shape. Okay, let's do both in this square. Since it's a square, we know that all of its sides are going to be 8 meters. And the perimeter, it's going to be the addition of all of the sides. 8 meters plus 8 meters plus 8 meters plus 8 meters. The formula we have in the presentation says the perimeter is equal to 4 times the side. This is equal to 4 times 8. How much is 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 meters? It is 32 meters. And how much is 4 times 8? It is also 32 meters. As you can see, we have the same answer with both methods. You can use whichever you want, but the formula is always faster. Our next exercise is talking about an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangles have 2 equal sides and 1 different side. And it says that has one side of 9 meters, while the other 2 sides are 10 meters each. Okay? So the perimeter is adding up the sides. Perimeter equals 10 meters plus 10 meters plus 10 meters. Plus 9 meters. This would give us a total sum of 29 meters. And that is the perimeter of our isosceles triangle. Now, the next kind of exercises are asking us to find a dimension. They are giving us the perimeter, and we have to find a missing dimension. For this, we do have to use the formula. The first one is asking us for the length of a square. It is asking the length of a square if we know that its perimeter is 12.4 inches. Okay? Perimeter is 12.4 inches. We need the formula to do this type of exercises. The formula says that the perimeter of a square is equal to 4 times the sides. 4 times the sides equals the perimeter. We have the perimeter, but we don't have the sides. What are we going to do? We are going to substitute in the formula the data that we have. We have 12.4 inches is equal to 4 times the sides. Now we want to know the measurement of the sides. How do we get the sides to be alone in this side of the equal? Just like any other equation, we divide by 4. 12.4 inches divided by 4 is equal to 3.1 inches, and 4 times sides divided by 4 is equal to just one side. So the measurement of the side is 3.1 inches. Next, we have the dimension of a rectangle whose length is twice its width and whose perimeter is 42 centimeters. Let's make the drawing because it is always easier to visualize when you have the drawing. So my recommendation to you is that every time you have a word problem that is describing a figure, you first draw the figure and then find the equation. Okay? So we have a square and it says that the length is twice its width. Okay? So the length is in function of the width. We are going to take as our primary variable the width because we don't know it. So the width is going to be W. We don't know the measure, but we know that the length is 2 times the width. So the length is 2 times the width. The formula for the perimeter of a rectangle is 2 times the width plus 2 times the length. If we substitute, we have the value for the perimeter is 42 centimeters. 42 centimeters, it's equal to 2 times the width plus 2 times the length. And the value of the length is 2 times the width. Let's solve the equation. We have 42 centimeters equals 2 times the width plus 2 times the width is 4 times the width because 2 times 2 equals 4. We add together 2 widths plus 4 widths, it's 6 widths. And now we have to remove the 6 by dividing. 42 divided by 6 is equal to 7 centimeters equals the width. And those are all of the exercises that we have in our presentation. If you have any questions, please log in to the Facebook Live Q&A, and I hope you have a really nice day. Bye-bye.